Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Adult English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English class for the students of class 3, and our subject English language, and our topic is composition, and this is our 26th lecture. So let's start our today's topic. Dear students, look here, I am going to discuss about composition today. Okay, and our first composition was our national flag. Okay, now I am going to discuss about this topic. A national flag is the symbol of independence of a country. Bangladesh is an independent country, and like every independent country, it also has a national flag. We became independent in 1971. Our national flag is rectangular in shape. Its length and width is 10:6. The color of our national flag is deep green with a red circle in the middle. The green color of the flag represents the green nature of our country, and the red circle symbolizes the bloodshed of our freedom fighters. Our national flag is our valuable possession. It is our pride and glory. Dear students, I am going to discuss this once again. A national flag is the symbol of independence of a country. Bangladesh is an independent country. Okay, all of us, we know that Bangladesh is an independent country. And like every independent country, it also has a national flag. Okay, we know that in every independent country, it has its own national flag, and like every independent country, Bangladesh also has a national flag. Okay, then we became independent in 1971. So when we independent in which time? Yes, we became independent in 1971. Our national flag is rectangular in shape. Its length and width is what? Yes, its length and width is 10:6. And what is its color? Its color, the color of our national flag is deep green. Okay, deep green with a red circle in the middle. The green color of the flag represents the green nature of our country. So the green color and this color represents what? The green color of the flag represents the green nature of our country. And the red circle symbolizes what? And the red circle symbolizes the bloodshed of our freedom fighters. Okay, so here we have found that the red circle symbolizes the bloodshed of our freedom fighters. Then here we have found that our national flag is our valuable possession. Okay, our national flag is our valuable possession. It is our pride and glory. So at last we can write, it is our pride and glory. So dear students, like this way you have to write this composition, and you have to finish this properly at your home. Okay. So dear students, I think you have understood our today's topic. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.